Hey, so this is my bike check. Start off at the front. I just got these new grips, new bars and everything. I got Kinklitis bar ends, Animal Edwin grips, Shadow Conspiracy vultus bars, 9-inch rise, 30 wide, 3 up sweep, 10-degree back sweep, Fit DLR stem, Shadow Conspiracy vortex fork bolt, Salts plus forks, Salt plus wheel set, just stock on my bike, pitch mid 20 by 2.30, Shadow Conspiracy little ones pegs in the front with slicker sleeve and a G-Sport gland hub guard, Shadow Conspiracy little ones peg in the back, G-Sport gland hub guard with a slicker sleeve, and just the same wheel set, and the rear tires a Salt pitch flow, it's 2 by 2.20, front Salt pitch mid 2 by 230 or 20 by 2.30. I got stolen Thermalite PC pedals, and I got these new cranks, which are the premium 1948 cranks, only premium part of my bike, but they're freaking sweet, like no noises. I got them all lubed up, they're nice and good. And I have my Salt sprocket, just came stock. I'm thinking about putting my Eastern Medusa V2 on there, but I don't know yet. Stock chain, and then what else? A Shadow Conspiracy Alfred seat clamp with a Subrosa seat post, and Shadow Conspiracy Penumbra seat bait and baits. Yeah, that's my bike. So like, comment, subscribe. Oh yeah, and forgot to mention, no cable guides, no brake mounts, because that's just how I roll. Never ridden brakes since I started BMX. Just my first bike, never had brakes, and I don't believe in them. So